Hey guys, Noah here from the Mike Garden. Hold on. And today, I got something in the mail. Now, you're probably wondering, Noah, what magnificent thing have you gotten in the mail? Now, first of all, it could be anything. Second of all, alright, it could, I don't know. But, okay, you're right. This was actually something from YouTube, actually. So get ready, guys. My Emerald play button! Yay! Yay me! Look at this magnificent Emerald play button. It is so gosh dang beautiful and magnificent. This is the most beautiful thing. This is, okay, not my first trophy, not second. This is my third trophy I've ever got. Well, physical trophy. But still, this a nice trophy. Very nice. So yeah, guys, that was it for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe and like for more. I must have gotten this when I hit 100 subscribers. And I'll see you all guys later. Peace out, home guards, and goodbye.